Hi, today I'm going to show you a recording technique that you can use to make your drum set sound more powerful and give it a little more color. We are talking about a kit mic. While individual components such as bass drum or snare drum are recorded in isolation with direct miking, or the focus is placed on the spatial image with room miking, a kit mic can bring out other interesting sounds of a drum kit. We also used such a kit mic for the drum recording of this year's Christmas contest. The microphone we used was a Sennheiser MD441. In this video, I will show you how to position the microphone and how it sounds. Here we have the drum set from the Christmas contest recording. The kit mic was positioned on the right side below the toms. Normally, the microphone is positioned more to the left in order to achieve optimum results. However, as there is a right symbol on this drum set, we had to improvise and use the other side as an alternative, which also worked well. Also, it is important to ensure that the microphone does not pick up the toms excessively. Now let's listen to what the kit mic sounds like unprocessed. Using a gate that is sidechained from the snare drum direct signal, I first aligned the volume of the kick and snare. Then I did some transient shaping and parallel compression and saturation to give the whole thing even more punch and color. It sounds like this. Now we come to the interesting part. How does the microphone sound in the context of the entire drum recording? Here is the drum mix including the kit mic. And for comparison without. And again with. If you switch from the version with kit mic to the version without kit mic, you quickly realize that the drums sound cleaner, but also slightly more unnatural without the additional miking. The kick and snare in particular are much more isolated and detached from the rest of the sound impression of the drums without the kit mic. The kit mic also provides a powerful punch with the kick and snare, as the microphone records these two essential components of the drums primarily, and the pressure is further enhanced by the corresponding processing. All in all, it can be said that the kit mic ensures that the direct signals are supported in their powerful sound, and at the same time it creates a more natural connection between the direct signal and the rest of the drum kit. Especially with the drum sound in the modern rock style, which often sounds very polished and clean, we can give it a little more life and clue. Finally, it should be said that there are a lot of sound shaping options here. You can also influence the sound even more and color the microphone even further with compression and saturation. So it's worth trying out the kit mic for your next drum recording. You can also download the tracks from our Christmas contest and see for yourself. Enjoy!